babe.
You can?
Yeah. Yes, the clean skin. It's the skin for me. Don't look at my eyebrow because it's not. The eyebrow is not there yet. I know y'all want me to start a skincare line. Hi, Joelle. Hi, Joelle, are you liking your headphones? You guys don't watch this eyebrow. I'm getting my makeup done. You know, since I don't have kids, I bless everyone's children. So I'm coming to you live with no makeup. And I want you guys to, you can't hear me? What the fuck? Hold on now. Sorry. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me? How old am I? I'm 24 this November. Why you didn't come to my 23rd birthday party last year? You guys, I've been going through some motherfucking shit. I've been so sad. I've been dealing with a lot of sadness. But I have some good news. Are you ready? Bum, bum, bum. Cookie Wash Jamaica is finally going to launch in 2 weeks. Let me look at my other phone and see the calendar. So we're going to be at the lot on motherfucking one moment. I'm going to tell you. I can't even do this damn introduction right because my brain is not right. Hi, Squiddy. Trap. It's going to be September 27th through 29th at the lot. Okay? Cookie Wash pop-up shop. If you're in Jamaica and you've been begging me for the good cookie wash. But what I'm more happy about is I'm doing a giveaway for the girls. The back to school. Not the back to school. What am I saying? For the school girls, I'm giving away pads, tampons. Yeah, and some book bags. And I'm just giving away a lot of stuff. Oh, wait. I should probably say where it is. Cookie Wash Jamaica. I'm trying to type. I haven't used Live in so long because they blocked me. I can't remember how to do this. 27th through 29th. I'm currently in Florida. I have to be working. I'm so sad. Chop the Line Records. I'm beefing with you because I want my damn song to come out. You talking about putting another artist on there, and I want my song to come out. Y'all want me to play my song for you? It's called 6 in the Morning. Shout out to Valiant because Valiant helped me write it a little bit. Because, you know, my flow is not always that, you know, it's not like how y'all flow be. I'm not a good writer. I just like to sing. So, big up Valiant, big up Chop the Line Records for giving me 2 songs. Y'all already like his other song, what, Member Good. Mana share na man, mana join a line. You must lose your mind.
I like this song.
Tay says she like that song. Is she American? Okay. This is the 6 in the Morning song. It's me again, babe. I'm in my R&B bag. Never leave my home. Treat me like you're split. I just wanna feel this Tony song. You got me up 6 in the morning. Tell me why you ain't calling. Every night you're out with them. Select me like your Glock. I'm me for half your back. Boy, you wouldn't know. You don't know where you got. Why you ain't calling? Call me, daddy. Treat me like you split. Yeah, so that song is about me being at home and a nigga not calling me. Because he want to be running the streets with his friends. Has that ever happened to anybody? Like you're in a relationship with a man that just is obsessed with his friends? Why y'all love y'all friends so much? Why you don't love me like you love your friends? Maybe I should just be your friend. Maybe we should be just friends. Every night you're out with them. Select me like your Glock. I'm me for half your buck. Boy, you wouldn't know. You don't know what you got. You got me wondering why you ain't calling. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Why you not calling? Yeah. But you know what? I usually date guys that like to carry me everywhere. Ooh, thank you, Miss Lawrence, for the badge. How do I collect my money? How do I get my money? You can take a shot, both of my back. Yeah, me can take back shot. I just feel like I like guys who like being with their woman. I don't like guys who are just dating me to have sex with me. You know what I'm saying? Like I like guys that like you enjoy spending time with me. You want to build companies with me. You want to, and when I say with me, I don't mean like I'm actually working. I mean more like I give you ideas and you go do the work. You know what I also noticed? This is kind of off topic, but as I said that, do you guys know that only Americans be having the 50-50 conversation? Like, you know that split the bills 50-50? That's a very American conversation. I've been in Jamaica every month this year, and I've never went nowhere where they were talking about splitting the bills 50-50. Jamaican men are too controlling for that. Jamaican men want to control your whole life. So they don't want to split the bills 50-50 with you because they want to say, yo, pussy. Jamaican men, I feel like it's if you're going to pay the bills because they don't have it at the moment, that's fine. But they don't want to split bills with no woman. First of all, they don't even like the idea of moving in a woman's house. They don't want Brianna, right? They don't like the idea of moving in a woman's house because that makes them feel like she have too much power. They don't want no woman saying come out to my house. They don't want no woman sizing up with them. So they try to have as much power as they can. And the Jamaican men who are taking money from women, it's usually American women that they're taking money from. Because a lot of the American women, the men are so trash in America, they're just, hey Slick, hey Sir DJ Corey. Yeah, so when you hear about Jamaican men like swindling money from women and stuff, it's usually they have an American woman they're taking the money from and they mining their girl in Jamaica with it because the woman in America, all she want to do a chat, you know. She just want them to sit on the phone and tell her some nice things that her man in America is not telling her. I see it with my own two eyes. You get what I'm saying? But the men in Jamaica, they provide for women like they feel good about it. Like in the parties, the selector is gonna say, big up the man them where take care of them picnic where da 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 da. In America, they're gonna be like, you know, where the niggas at that splitting the bills? Sorry. Yeah, Jamaican women are greedy for money, so they can't play that with them. They rather find a woman in America who could who will give them some money. And guess what? So, for example, if you ask a woman with a nursing job in America for 500 US dollars, to her, that's not a lot of money. But you and your girl now have a nice piece of food. I'm telling you, the Jamaican men do not try that shit with the Jamaican women in Jamaica. You have to take care of them bitches because them no want work. Them a dolly, like for real, dolly. Like us, the American girls, y'all think y'all doing something? No, babes. The Jamaican girls, they getting their makeup done right through to go out. They always look good. Most of them really don't got no job. I'm telling you, it's crazy watching it because they really take American women for fucking fools because in American culture, they teach women to be too masculine. Now, Jamaican women aren't weak, but it's like they raise us to get money from men. If that's the case, then why Jamaican men say Jamaican women are hell? Because Jamaican men are devils. They love the hell. That's why. So if we as Jamaican women are hell, it's because they're devils. They belong there. That's the only thing me can see. I don't know. But a lot of Jamaican women now, they pride themselves on being independent due to the fact that the men abuse in our culture is normalized. So you want to have your little money to make sure the man, if him lick you can say, pussy, fuck off. I could leave. But really and truly, Jamaican women are not getting money to spend their own money. Like, it's hard to explain. Okay. It's a very difficult. Let me put it like this. If you have a Jamaican man that love you, you're not going to have to work. Whereas in America, you could have a nigga with money and he still want to split bills with you. When a Jamaican man love you and care about you, he doesn't want you to have to do certain things because, as I said, most of them they're too controlling for that. See, I'm Jamaican and I have no lick of independence in me. Do for me, keep mine. See, I told you guys. Not all men are the same, but I'm just telling you, majority of the men are not trying to split bills. That split bill shit is American. Oh, I think Walk and Talk requested to be in a live. Let me. And guess what? Some Jamaican men, they don't have to have the most money in the world. That's the thing I love about Jamaica. Hey, Poppy! Poppy, you're too loud. I'm on the live. Yeah, if a Jamaican man love you, let me tell you something. An American man making 100,000 US dollars will do less for you than a Jamaican man making like freaking 2,000 US dollars a month. It would be like that because this is the thing. In Jamaica, it's kind of cheaper to be romantic. You know what I'm saying? Why that pussy on the move? It's cheaper to be romantic, so it's like you'll be like, okay, baby, I want to take you out. You could take your girl to a river. That is free. Get a fried fish on the river, baby. Like you feel nice at the river. Okay. I don't know what Jamaican man she talking about because I'm dating one now and I spend more than he does. He's using you. He don't love you. I swear to God, I'm telling you. Listen, my ex, my first time dating a Jamaican, he was taking the girl money from America, and every time I link him in Jamaica, he was spending on me with the girl money. I didn't know that at first, but if him love you, he don't want your money. My ex would not take a dollar from me. He wouldn't. I broke his motorcycle. Um, and he was mad about it, but you know, like I end up trying to send him some money because he knew I was broke. He knew I didn't have nothing to give him. You get what I'm saying? Listen, when a Jamaican man love you. He wants to do stuff for you. It's not like when you're in America and a nigga will really love you and still want you to split bills. If a Jamaican man love you and he don't have it at the time, yes, you chip in. It's you know, whatever. Y'all live together. It's whatever. But that's another thing. You see this thing that we do in America? I had said to who was I talking to? TC. I was either talking to TC or Rebel. I can't remember which one. And I said, you know, like when you're in that talking phase, she said, what's a talking phase? Like, what do you mean, like, talking? So in America, there's such thing as a talking phase. In Jamaica, them men do not play that. It's either they want to be with you or not. And when they want to be with you, they, even though they might have 4 other girlfriends, it's up. They're with you. On the death, like it's you can't go around it. They don't do all that little play thing. It's not. You're either in a relationship. There's no situationships. I'm telling you, those men are controlling. They're controlling. So they want to pay the bills. They want you to live in their house. They want you to be in a relationship with them, even if they have 3 other girlfriends. No, it's the truth, because if you're the actual woman, they could control you. Now if they see you out somewhere, them can thump you down and say, bitch, the fuck you doing out here with this nigga? It's not funny, but that's what I've been noticing since I've been in Jamaica. I'm just telling you my observations. See, she said this is so true. What is the talking stage? I love it. I'm sorry. Jamaicans, they be getting in relationships fast and all, but I do love it. I think it's way better than America. America, these niggas want to talk to you, fuck you, take you on dates, make you meet their mom, do all of this and never be with you. And y'all, can you guys explain this to me? In Jamaica, I know this. You got to tell me what's up with this. If by 24, 25, you're gonna lock down a man, it seems like you're not gonna lock down one. Like, I'm noticing all the uptown people that I meet that's married, they've been with their man since 21 through 25. If it's still their first marriage. It's like after that, you kind of like become horned out on the island or something. I don't know what's up with that. See, I only been with mine 3 months. He ready to buy the ring. That's Jamaican men. They not playing with you. It's pressure. I'm telling you. I'll tell you guys a secret. I was dating somebody in Jamaica, and well, not dating. We was together.
Right. What's the talking phase?
In my brain, we was talking, but for him, he said we were together. Yeah, I was living with that nigga and everything. Why? Jamaican men do not play. I'm telling you, they really want to own you. If they could buy everything, when I was with my person that I was with in Jamaica, I'm telling you, this man is not letting me leave the house without money in my hand. Now, I've been with men in America that I know make way more money than him that will let me leave the house without giving me $1. They don't even ask you, did you eat today? You see, I'm not lying. She American. Okay? That man, he don't care if he don't care if it's only 10 grand he has to give me. I'm not leaving the house without no money. It's like it's against the law for him. Me and Joshy was never talking. That was for a video, guys. Get that out your brain. You guys will never know my men. You guys will never know. You will never know. Because I'm not posting it. I loved him, though. I loved me some him. He really took it. Listen, when I hear Jamaican men talk, they talk. Yeah. Sorry. Y'all comments are funny. When I hear Jamaican men talk, they be like, very, I love it. It's very, okay, let me give you this example. I was dating an American guy, and he had to ask me everything. Like, I don't like when a man asks me questions. I don't like to think when I'm with a man. You're the man, you figure it out. You get what I'm saying? The man asking me, what do I want to eat? I don't know. I told him, I don't know. You just pick. Where do I want to live? Da, da, da. I can't take all of that. You need to make the decisions, because the last Jamaican guy I dated, I'm just like a tag along. I'm just here for the aesthetic. I'm just here to be beautiful. I could, let's say I'm trying to cook something or do something. He'll just be like, babe, sit down. Sit down. We have people for do that. Like, chill. So I'd be like, so what you want me to do? You said, I don't know, just be beautiful. Just keep doing what you're doing. Like, I don't know, like, he wasn't fussy. He wasn't fussy. He just wants to be a man. Like, I can't take men who want me to make decisions. I make all the decisions in my company. I don't want to make no decisions when I'm around a man. Yeah, for observant. Look, man, look. Look, man, look, and watch. Yes. Literally. I was with the Jamaican man for years. He always made sure I wasn't ready to start a family with him, and his family didn't like that for him, so he moved on. Exactly. Yeah. I need a good leader. That's a requirement for me. Like, I need a man that is going to lead me, because I don't know where I'm going. Yeah, pretty, you know, all right. Pretty understands what I'm saying. Pretty, it's like I can't say too much. I gotta watch my words. But at the end of the day, Jamaican men, they're a little crazy. However, I think they're better than American men, and I understand why all the American women want to be with Nigerian men, Caribbean men, and all of that, because these men are leaders. I'm telling you, when I was with the Jamaican man, I literally didn't have to think. When I'm leaving the house, he'd be like, okay, babe, what you gonna eat? I don't know. He'd be like, okay, I know you're probably gonna want fish. So this for the fish, this for the this for the that. He say, okay, I want to carry you out here. You got clothes? Don't you got to do your hair today? Like, they care about you. Like, they really care. Because I don't know how to put it, but all my life I stayed away from dating Jamaican men. And I'm not gonna lie, my best man them, Jamaica, boom. Now, I'm not saying that you might not have to share the man. I didn't say that. I didn't say that. Just make sure you're the favorites, because from you're the favorite, then you're gonna live with him, so you're gonna get most of the things on the, you know, you're gonna get the carryouts, you're gonna get the niceness, you know. The other girl's just gonna have to hide, and you know, maybe when you're gone.
So how you supposed to know when you the favorite?
Me, I got Atlanta. What do you? Pretty, the men in America don't even know how to talk to us. They don't have no style. They don't have no whatever. Like, I was talking to this guy, right? And he's here in Miami. Babe, me and the man hanging out. He's already on thin ice. He take me to go do my hair. You know, the man didn't give me $1 to do my hair. And it's not a poor man. He just don't think like that, because he don't think like a provider. I'm stressing over bills that just currently happened. Something happened in my life. I don't date Haitians. No. Miss said, hold on. Let me get back to that. I'm stressing over some bills that's going on in my life. The man hear me stressing every damn day. He don't have nothing to say. A Jamaican man would not do that. She said, don't touch it and don't look at it. A Jamaican man would not do that. A lot of these American men, do not be fooled, ladies. A lot of these American men, they want you to go out to dinner with them. They want you to go to the clubs with them. They want you to be on the scene with them because you're beautiful. You are just their arm candy. Do not be so fucking frightened for food, frightened for the club, that you are being used. I look like a ghost right now. But don't be so frightened. Yeah, Aries don't play. I like, I don't know if I like Aries. Aries are a good time. Aries are a good time. I don't know about you guys for the long haul, though. You guys are a little not okay in the brain. Jamaican men are problem solvers. They're not going to hear you in trouble and not ask how to assist. Yeah. Till one time I had to tell a man, because it's like, in my girl on me. He want me to be in America, right? Get me an apartment then. Because you know, sometimes I act like I don't have things around certain men, because at the end of the day, you're not going to use the fact that I have my life together to do less for me. That's a trick you guys got to learn too. So more times, sometimes you got to act like you don't have no house. That's how you got to act to see what the man is going to do. It's true. You want me here so bad. The man that wanted me here, babes, he had like 6 different houses. Either you need to put me in one of them, or you need to get me another apartment, because your apartment is too small for me and you. You know how my wardrobe look. I'm going to be unhappy in here in this small cub with you, sir. So the man, he going around me. So I just always avoid him. But every time it's time to eat, he don't care if he spent $2,000 on the bill to eat. He don't care. That could have been my rent for the month. You don't care about me. Dynasty, why are you talking to these people? Call me. Because I have to promote my pop-up shop on the 27th to the 29th at the Lots. He was not a real Jamaican man. He was an Americanized Jamaican man. And Jamaican men, when you come to America, stop turning into Americans. It's weird. Y'all be going gay. Y'all stop paying bills. What's wrong with you? You came to America to disgrace our culture? Moyan, stop it. It's embarrassing. Meanwhile, I got men in Jamaica that hold me for other man in America, drive Rolls Royce, and a man in Jamaica that's willing to do more for me than man that have Rolls Royce money. You mad? Ladies, do not be tricked by the money. I can't emphasize this enough. Be with a man that want to do stuff for you. Be with somebody who, even if the man work at the call center, if the man work at Burger King, if the man work at Popeyes, if he gonna take his little money and make sure you're good, say, babes, I brought home some chicken from Popeyes. I know y'all watch your weight, but this is what I had today. That man gives a fuck about you. Y'all be with these men, they have so much money for they friends, but when it comes to you, they can't get you an apartment. So tell me this now. What kind of fool do I look like? You want me to be with you, but you don't want to get me a place. You don't want to even get yourself a bigger place. You don't want to put me in one of the places you already have. Why would I be with you? Why would I be with you? I was with a man one time in Jamaica, and he told me, he said, listen, Starr, either we're going to live together, or if we do not live together, I'm going to find a place. Don't ask me no question about where, when, and how. All you need to do is the day I call you and tell you you're moving, pack up your stuff and move in your clothes, because furniture, everything going to be taken care of already. And this is a man in Jamaica, and not the richest man in Jamaica or the richest man in the world. But that shows a person cares. I'm not going to be with no man that don't care about me. So a lot of times you guys think, oh, Starr just wants somebody money, blah, blah, blah. It's not always about how much money a person makes. It's about, are you going to trick? Are you going to trick on me or not? I like tricks. And you know what? When I be in Jamaica, the men lead with money, okay? They meet me and say, babes, where you want? Babes, where you want, anything you want, me give you all when I lie. What happened with 22? Who was 22? As I said, my pop-up shop in Jamaica is on the 27th through the 29th. I didn't say nothing about no 22. Yeah, so the men in America, when y'all want to come to me and be like 50-50 or be like, oh, why women never take men out on dates? Baby, Jamaica is a third world country and the men are there. They doing whatever they got to do to pay for a girl hair or makeup. So if they could do that, what's wrong with y'all? You're in the land of opportunity. If me, pretty me, got on the side of the road and sold water just to make some money, if I could get on the road and sell water, I don't want no man telling me what he don't got. And that's the next thing. I don't like being with no man that tell me no. Tell me not right now, a little later. But yeah, I like the men in Jamaica. I can't, maybe I haven't found one to be with, but oh, Tosh, I love her TikTok content. Yeah, Jamaican men are top tier, and I didn't think so at first, but I like them. Here it's cheaper to do in Jamaica. Yes, that is true. But what I'm trying to say is the money that they make in Jamaica is also less. You can find ways to make more money here. It's just, listen, because I'm a girl and I found ways to make money in Jamaica, in America, anywhere I am, I'm gonna make some money. I cannot sit and listen to a man who don't know how to get some money. Go get some money and come give it to me now. No, I'm not in Jamaica now. But every time I'm in America, these men make me sick. Okay? Why are you trying to act like a girl? I'm the girl. The only problem I see with Jamaican men, they don't be trying to open doors all the time because they think it's weird, but they do it for me. So I'm okay with that. They be opening my door. So I'm cool. Once they realize that's something I like, they'll get with the program. But they might not be the most like romantic, but they're gonna pay the bills and they want to see you happy. They want to see you eat. They want to see you pretty, and they want to see you happy. And you know, those type of men, I want to be a part of your life and I want to be a part of your growth, because at the end of the day, when your money grow, my money grow. Your money grow, my money grow. We're growing together. And that's something I noticed. Jamaican men, they value family a little bit more. So if you and a man, y'all building something together, he probably not gonna just leave you unless it's a situation where he's trying to get his papers so he run off to America. But if you guys are in Jamaica building something together, like you guys will probably end up married. Like a lot of the uptown married people that I meet in Jamaica, they did their shit together and they're still together. Aww. She said she's gonna marry her Jamaican man. Let me tell you something. When a Jamaican man love you, he gotta love you though. Do not be on my live talking about, nah, Jamaican man. He didn't love you, babe. Some Jamaican men only want to be spoiled. It's because they don't love you. They want you to spoil them so they can go spoil the girl they love. It's just the facts. Like, come on now, let's be clear. You see what Romeich did for Shenseea? That's love. Y'all be wondering, oh, why Romeich won't do that for no other girl? Why he don't want to? He loved her. You didn't have Shenseea coochie. Don't be mad at Shenseea because she got the, you know what I'm saying? Romeich could make anybody a star on the island if he want. But he chose her. She had the vagina he liked at the time. Well, I don't know if that's what was happening, but it was love. Because I'm a Scorpio. So whether it was the vagina, the work ethic, the personality, it was love. A man will go to great lengths. Romeich and Shenseea came in it because I'm showing you to how much someone can love you. They'll build you an entire career. They'll build an entire career for you from you being a promo girl. A lot of these people, they don't want to see you win. They rather you continue working for them in their company because you're a good worker. They don't want to see you win. But when somebody loves you, they're willing to see anything. They want you to go to the sky and past the sky. That's why I use that example. Because he didn't have to do that. He did not have to do that. Yeah, I think Jamaican men are some of the best lovers. Best lovers. But remember, they need to love you. Haitian men now, I will never date them. I don't want to date them.
Why?
Don't talk to me.
What's wrong with so puppy?
What's not wrong with them? Hi, beautiful. Yeah, not everything is what it seems. That's fine, but I'm just using an example from what it seems like. Y'all be trying to get too technical. Y'all be trying to get way too technical about stuff. The point is, when a Jamaican man love you, he'll go to great lengths. That's the entire point. There's no other point in the story. Great lengths. He wants you to fly to the moon. You guys want, I just feel like a Haitian man never broke my heart because I will never give a Haitian man my heart. You now understand? I don't think you're understanding.
Hello. How you doing? I'm gonna paint the floor over here. Maybe if you don't mind, you can use the bath.
Okay, no problem. What? Thank you.
I do think it's about culture. I do think it's definitely about culture. I'm telling you, I be with American men that love me and they just don't do what a Jamaican man that love me would do. Because their culture doesn't raise them a certain way. They haven't even suffered a certain way. You understand? If you don't even know what it is to truly come up with somebody, to truly go through it, like a lot of things can't cross your brain. And as I said, I think Jamaican men are controlling, so they do a little bit more to make sure they're in control. But I don't have a problem being controlled. I want you to control me. That's, you know what I don't like? I don't like when I meet men and I get a little rah-rah and they back down. You soft. You a soft ass boy. Get away from me. I'm getting rah-rah so you can humble me. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm trying to act like I'm tough so you could be like, oh, you so cute, babe. Sit down. She said they don't spend and they're not loyal. Nothing exciting about American men. What? This whole live started because I said that 50-50 conversation is very American. I've been in Jamaica every single month this year, and I never heard no one talking about no 50-50. What Jamaican men complain about, this is what, ladies, I'll give you the little secrets, what the man them are complaining about. They complain that women don't hold it down in their bad times. Because they know what they're willing to do in the good times, the man them, they be complaining, yo, you guys just be running to a scammer or running to a this or running to a whatever with money. You run into a man because he have a nice car. They want women that's going to be there in the bad times, in the good times, to hold it down with. But at the end of the day, women, we've been through so much. We're scared to hold it down with you guys because we hold it down with you, and then when you up, you leave me for the girl that you really want. So women are scared of that because most of the time when a man don't have it, he's not with the girl he wants. He's with the girl he can afford. So if you're with the girl you can afford, but here's the good thing about Jamaican men, I will say, ladies, this is what I've noticed. If you are with them when they have nothing, they might leave you when they have everything, but they still gonna take care of you. They're gonna slide you a little 1-2, especially if you're their baby mother or something. I noticed that about them. And that's why a lot of people have a problem with Jamaican men and their baby mother, because they're going to keep having sex with them, because usually if it's their longtime baby mother, she was there when they had nothing. So I get why Jamaican men feel a way like, oh, you only want to be around for the money, because they know that, like, it's tricky. Because I understand the women's side, because who wants to be there for a man when he's broke, and then when he's up, he not even looking your way? Because you know what? My ex was in that position. When my ex didn't have no money, the girls that he was talking to, they didn't reap the benefits that I reaped when he did have money. And he's a Jamaican man. But here's the difference. I was willing to go in there and be that support system to make sure he get more money. Listen, I'm a type of girl where, if, let's say I know your money not up, like, or maybe your money is up, but you need more money. You have a lot of people taking care of, and you giving me money. Every day you giving me money. You know, I'm going to put your money down and put it aside, not for a rainy day. I'm going to put your money down and I'm going to put it aside, and I'm going to think of what can I put this man's money in to make him residual income. So let's say my man give me $50, $100 every day when I leave the house. So for 5 days a week. So that's like $500 a week. If you're doing that for like 2 months, right? Now I'm going to think to myself, damn, I wonder if I could rent out an Airbnb, and then rent out a house and then put it on Airbnb. So then when that money starts to come in, I could say, here, babe, the money you was giving me, I put it on Airbnb for you so you could just make some more money. And he's going to think, wow, she's so thoughtful. But the truth is, I need you to make more money because I don't want to work. I don't want to work. So I need my man to make more money. You get what I'm saying? I don't have a problem being there in a hard time, or I don't have a problem. Buzzy! I don't have a problem being there in a hard time because I know my personality. No man is going to stay broke around me. You're going to get more money. I think big. I am creative. So as long as you're a man that is willing to work, I don't want to go out there and do the work. As long as you're a man that's willing to work, or as long as you're a man that's giving me money, I have my own money in real life for real already. So he said, don't cap much on live. I'm not capping. I've actually done that before. If my man is giving me bread, usually I'm stacking his bread for him. So if one day he can look at me and say he don't have it, I'm be like, babe, yes you do. All that money you was giving me, what you think I was doing with it? Because I don't need it unless I need it. That's why when I need money and a man don't give it to me, I be mad. I really do be mad about that. And like I said, this is why I can't deal with these American men. These American men, being in Jamaica just made me feel different about you American men. Starr, can you be my man? I don't like women, girl. I don't eat coochie. I don't like spending money on women. I like when money is spent on me. Like, that's yeah, that's what Keisha did for Gucci, and she's a Jamaican woman. So that's why I'm saying the Jamaican men, they will spend, they will give you whatever they have. They just want you to be there in the tough times. That's what I'm noticing. That's what I'm noticing, the pattern with them. I was talking about American men this whole live, Miss Shanice Robinson. You're late, babe. Rub them. Like, I can't bother with them. And the Jamaican men, as I said, you guys come to America, you turn gay, you turn just a lot of ways. You turn mean. I don't know what's wrong with y'all. I don't like that. You need to fix up. You're a man. Stand up as a man. It's not hard to find a girl to be there in the tough times. Most of these girls are taking care of men, so it's definitely not hard to find a girl to be there in the tough times. You know what's another problem? A lot of these girls sit on Jesus' internet and say, oh, a man got to have this much money. He got to do this. He got to do that. And they're having sex with the brokest man on earth. A man that wouldn't even look. If they hungry right now, gas would take their brains and their brains would bust. These girls be on Jesus internet lying. They be on Jesus internet big lying. Don't watch them. Men, the girls that talk about, oh, if he don't buy me this, if he don't buy me that, she's a liar. You get what I'm saying? She never got nothing from a man in her life, because when you get things from man, you're not thinking about that. You don't really have to wonder if a man is gonna do something for you. You know they're gonna do something for you. Duh. The man that I told you guys about earlier, that he dropped me off to the hair salon and didn't pay for my hair, I feel like the reason he was, it's like he was purposely trying to not do something for me, because yo, oh, I just got hot. I can't even show you, because what the fuck? Anyway, yeah, that man who didn't pay for the hair, or he wasn't thoughtful, that had to do with his self-esteem. That has to do with him trying to prove a point to himself that, like, he doesn't have to trick. You get what I mean? That's weird. Because I like men that like to trick. You know what I'm saying? I like men who like to take care of women. That's what tricking is. Tricking is taking care of a woman in exchange for something from her, which could be vagina, which could be her presence, which could be anything. Exactly. No matter how much a Jamaican man makes, he will find what his girl needs. Or he'll say, babe, I don't have it right now, but it don't mean you're never going to get it. And that's what I'm saying. It's weird to me when I run into men who they want to be the baddie. Like, I'm telling you, that guy, I'm still traumatized from him. Like, how do you see pretty little me, and you never, and you want to act like you don't want to do nothing for me, but you want to sit and have me go out to eat with you everywhere. You want to help everybody except me. You spending money on everybody except me. That will never work. It will never work for me. Because you know why that's not going to work out? You're trying to prove to yourself that you're not being used. Yeah. I hate men who are so insecure that they don't want to spend money on a girl even though they have the money, because they don't want to feel used.
But you're using me for pussy. What's the difference?
No, but outside of using me for pussy, like, even if I'm not fucking you, you're using me for something. When I'm walking around with you, that's a good look for you. You're using my energy. You like me. And guess what? I'm not poor, so I'm not using you for money. I don't need to be with you for a plate of food. I used to do that, though. I ain't gonna hold you. I ain't gonna hold you. If you don't got it like that, go on dates for food. I used to do that. He's using my feminine energy. Exactly. Every time you're around me, you get a new idea. Every time around me, I breathe life into you. But you have a problem if you feel like, and that's why I feel like men who don't have a high self-esteem shouldn't date certain girls, because you're always going to be wary. Like, what's her intentions? Does she really like me? I don't want no man, I'm their first bad bitch. Like, if that's the way to put it. Like, you for a line on top, yeah. Like, make sure when you're looking at his exes, all of his exes been that girl. Because if he's not used to being with that girl, then he gonna try to treat you like he treat the monkeys. Damn, don't cancel me. Because you know I didn't mean monkeys like that. If Spice on this live, I'm sorry, baby. No, I'm playing. Anyway, you need to be with a man who's used to taking care of women. If a man is not used to taking care of women, it's not going to work out. And I'm telling you, Jamaican men are used to taking care of women because Jamaican women, from we're born, we're taught to this. We never have no money yet. We could have just got paid and we still don't have no money. I seen my grandma do that all the time. Boy, I'm hungry. And she know we just finished eating. We just went on the road to eat. We get in the house. Her husband said, Lorraine, you eat? No, I'm hungry. She hungry. And that's why I know since a child, I always got stuff from men. If a man like you when you're a kid, he buy you a snack. He buys you a snack to show you he like you. He share his, oh my God, I remember in Portmore, I had a little boyfriend. Damn, I wonder what, I can't remember his name, I really can't remember his name, but I had a little a boyfriend in Portmore when I was a kid, and he used to share his back juice with me. It was so sweet. And to this day, I love back juice because of him. He get a suck, I get a suck. And then he would chaw down the ice for me. And then I would get some of the ice. I loved him. you understand what I'm saying? So I can't be in America and you niggas want to talk about 50-50 and no. How could it be Vibes Cartel? Do I look like his age group? Yeah, I loved him. Let me tell you something. Any man that starts to feed me and put me up, I just love them. I just want to do whatever for them. You get what I'm saying? And even now, little boys, pay attention to little boys. When you see a little boy like a 2, 3-year-old, 4-year-old, when they like you, they go give you $1 because they like you. Jamaican men know when you like a woman, you take care of her. American men, they want to put you to the test. Can you go through the trenches with me? And then after you go through the trenches with them, they're going to say, yeah, you pay 50, I pay 50. I'm telling you, Jamaican men, they don't want to. If you're doing 50-50 with a Jamaican man, he doesn't want to do that. That's not something he wants. The end goal is not 50-50. The end goal is for him to fully take care of you, fully own you, fully tell you what to do. Not that guy just begging you an iPhone and now inviting you to golf. If you meet a Jamaican man, the only thing that I think they're scared of is a woman not being there in tough times. But they're not scared to spend on you. They want to spend on you. They're not scared to tell you come live with them. Some of them, they could cook, so you're not even going to have to cook. Exactly. A man takes care of what he loves. But in America, it's rough out here. And then, you know, the good thing about Jamaica, because it's so small, the options are slimmer. So they don't feel, you see, when you're in America, you feel hype. You feel like, oh, she not acting right. I could go down the street and da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Nah, in Jamaica, you got to go through it with the person you're going through it with because you don't got much options. Kingston is small, you know. And imagine if you don't come from town. You come from one of those small country places. So when you want left the man, you just, you know, you really, it makes, to me, it's a safer place to start a family. Because like I said, you'll be there going through it with somebody. Okay, I'll use like Shamar and Corey, for example. They started Taboo together. They're still married to this day. They have kids together. Like, it makes sense you start a family with somebody who values you more. And I just feel like in Jamaica, they value family more. That's the reason people even still, you know, they live with their parents a longer time. You don't just get kicked out your family house. Sometimes brother and sister all of us in our 20s still living in the family house. In America, it's a very selfish place and it's rough. So when you guys be running down, oh, one got foreign, America, please know what you're doing. Because you will come to America and suffer more than when you was in Jamaica. And then when y'all be asking all your American family to be like, oh, send me some money. They have it harder than you. Your family in America has it harder than you. We don't have no grandma house to go to. So we don't have no neighbor aki tree. We can borrow some aki. America is rough. That's why I'm saying, for me, I need a real leader. I need a man that, and that's the next thing. If you meet a man who's getting money in Jamaica, he really had to go through it. And I like that. You had to go through some shit. Like, you come from the ghetto and now you making money. You really went through it. That shows what type of leader you are. That's sexy to me. That means if you could survive the ghetto, baby, you could survive my attitude. You're built for me. You men don't be built for me. Food cheap or foreign. Jiggy, come on from alive, man. Because you don't know what you're talking about. As I said, when I'm in Jamaica, it's way easier to take care of me than if I'm in America. Because when I wake up in America, I'm gonna feel a little Chanel-y. Damn, babe, I want to go to the mall. In Jamaica, where are you gonna take me? Bargain Mall? You gonna take me to Loud Fashion? I could run up a check in Denisha's store, but in America, America is different. So I fully understand why the men in America are tight with their wallet. However, the fact that you are tight with your wallet and you didn't have it half as hard as a Jamaican man had it, because they think their ghetto is hard. Until you go to some real Jamaican ghetto, you be like, oh shit, life is rough. You didn't have it half as hard as this man had it. You made a Jamaican man, a Haitian man, a Mexican man come to America and start more businesses than you, and you want me to feel sorry for you? You made me, little Starr, 5-foot Starr, come to America and do more than you, and you want me to feel sorry for you? Jiggy, you do not know what you're saying. Cost of living is not cheaper in America. Why you think I be in Jamaica? Because it's cheap. I feel rich. I feel rich when I'm there. And then if you have money as a girl and combine it, your man in Jamaica have money, you feel super rich. As I said, the moral of the story is Jiggy just want attention. He's saying that so everyone can pay attention to him. He's a Scorpio. He know how to market himself. But as I'm saying, if you have the choice to be with an American man or Jamaican man, be with a Jamaican man. He's gonna take care of you. If they love you, they're gonna take care of you. I'm telling you, even if it's just a box juice he's buying you, that box juice is gonna feel like a bottle of damn champagne, because he said, "Want something? I can't stay here long. You're gonna broke again." Jiggy, you gotta be broke, because maybe you got men that you taking care of, you got kids that you taking care of. I don't got Starr, just has Starr. And remember, I have somebody to help take care of me most of the time when I'm there. So and when I say that, I don't mean like a boyfriend. I mean like I'm a girl, and Jamaican men take care of women. Men don't see me out in the party and be like, can I buy them a bottle? They be trying to invite me to their table with the bottle, so I don't have to buy a bottle. So no, I just said I don't have no man in Jamaica. Y'all get off my business. Damn. I just said men are caring in Jamaica. Yeah, of course they buy you bottles in America and stuff, but I'm just trying to show Jiggy, like, a lot of people, why they go broke in Jamaica is because they have family and stuff to take care of. I don't have no family to take care of. My father don't like me, so all of those siblings don't talk to me, and I don't talk to them. My mother's side of the family is in America. And more importantly, I don't feel sorry for nobody. I had a cousin in Jamaica, and I had gave him Cookie Wash to do deliveries for Cookie Wash. I told the boy, put the money in my bank account. Take your money, put the rest of the money in my bank account. I go check the bank account. This is years ago, so this is why I'm telling the story. I go check the bank account. It's no money in my bank account. So I asked him, what happened with the money? Oh, you know, sis, I use the money for buy a little weed for go sell, but something did happen and First of all, you love weed. Why would you sell something that you love? You gonna get high on your own supply. So, you know what I'm saying? I don't feel sorry for nobody. I don't have nobody in Jamaica what I could say I feel sorry for, that I have to take care of, that I have nothing. The only people I feel sorry for is the little children. That's why when I'm ready, I'm going to spend my 10 grand, my 20 grand US and buy up tablets, buy up pads, and I give to the kids. Remember, the end of the month, the 27th through the 29th, I'm doing a pop-up shop at the lots, and I'm giving away pads and I'm giving away stuff to girls. Book bags, pads, Cookie Wash products, whatever. But when it come on to business and da-da-da-da, I don't feel sorry for nobody. None of my family can't call me and ask me for nothing. You could ask me for money to start a business. Other than that, you can't ask me for nothing. Not when I can't say this enough. If and you know what I told my cousin? I said to him, when he used up all the money after I gave him a chance, he asked me for some money. And I said, no, you need to go figure out how to make your own money, because I had to go sell water on the side of the road. The man gonna say to me, oh, you sold water, so I don't have to. Excuse me? Why would you say that to a woman? You sold water, so I don't have to? That's why I don't feel sorry for nobody. Because when I was in the hot sun with my cooler, pushing around my damn coolers, none of you niggas was there with me. And let me tell you this, if I broke right now, you'll see me in Jamaica wiping them windows. You know, with them boys that be wiping windows, you can pass me that charger?
Yeah.
I don't care. Me, when it comes to my money, I don't care. A lot of you have too much pride, and you're too poor to have so much pride. I will sell water again right now. I will wash windows in the street right now. I don't care, baby. The only thing I don't do, I don't sell my crotches. But I sell it. I just don't sell it in the way that you guys sell it. You guys sell it for bags and stuff. Nah. You gotta, your crotches is your coochie. I'm not, like, I can't sell coochie for how y'all do it, because I'll get 30,000 from a man and never even have sex with him. You understand what I'm saying? So I don't have to sell it how you guys sell it. I'm not into selling coochie. I'm not fucky. I'm not into all of that. As I said, men, they see me, they want to take care of me. That's how I sell crotches. I sell crotches to my man and my man only. I find a man who likes me. This is your problem. The men, they don't like you. So because they don't like you, they're not taking care of you. And because they're not taking care of you, you can't save your money. And as I said, I'm a type of girl, if a man is giving me money every day and I know I'm making my money, I'll put his money aside. So later on, if he reach a tough time, I said, babes, the money you gave me, I flipped it already. Here, hold this. Fuck is you talking about? I know I'm a wife type. You don't got to tell me that. The only problem is my mouth. But as I said, if you could survive the ghetto, if you could come out to the ghetto, you can survive me and my mouth. Me not bad. I need a man. I need a man to humble me. To be like, little girl, you're 5 foot. You're 5 foot. Calm down. I like men who know I have money and pretend like my money don't exist. The men, as I said, the men in America, they find out I have money. All of a sudden, they be like, why can't you buy it? Don't you got money? I know you're not putting this pink on. I want clear.
Blind together.
Look at this.
It turned clear.
Yeah, and that's what I'm saying. The men in Jamaica, they be so prideful. Even if you have money, they want to spend theirs because they don't want you to ever say you was taking care of them. Now, again, I will reiterate. If a man in Jamaica is pulling money from you, he don't love you. He don't love you. He's taking your money and spending it on the girl he loves. I don't know how much times I have to say that. Okay? They said that's fire, sis. I don't like color. I'm a basic girl.
She always say this, y'all. I don't listen to stuff.
They say exactly. It's just true. And as I said, like when a Jamaican man loves you, he's willing to do whatever for you. Take you to the moon and back. Take you to the moon and back. Like don't lie to these women. They need help. You need help. That's what you need. Okay? Starr, let her finish your lip.
Please.
The facts of the matter is, okay, if you gonna be with a man, I would say get with a Caribbean man. Sometimes they're mentally ill. I'm not gonna lie about that. Sometimes they have too many girlfriends. I'm not gonna lie about that.
How you deal with the multiple girlfriends?
The multiple girlfriends, it's tricky because depending if he understand code, he not gonna make certain things reach you. Like you're not gonna hear certain shit. Like
so you saying you can do that, but I don't need to know nothing about that.
Like you just not gonna know. You're not. No girls can't come talk to you. Like it's only a problem. Okay, this is my problem with America. Everybody be in this talking phase. All the girls feel like they could sub each other, say shit to each other.
Right.
No. When a Jamaican man have his personal girl, like, ooh, sorry guys, you know not to say shit to her. Like, you know that, like, because that's like a violation. You know what I'm saying? I don't know how to explain it, but that's if he knows the code and respects the code and lives by the code. If he don't live by the code, you're gonna be going through it. You're gonna be going through it. I remember one time this girl called. Oh Jesus! Story time. This girl had the audacity to call me about my man. It was her man first, but not really. Because technically he wasn't with you. You know what I'm saying? Like, how is he with you and I'm living with him? Explain. I don't understand. And that was the first time a girl had ever called my phone about a man. And I was in shock because it was a Jamaican guy. And I was like, he's supposed to know the code. Like, and he's big on code. So when she called, because me and him had just started being together, like officially being together, I was just kind of like, I wasn't really mad, but I was mad. Because why are you calling me? Why did he allow you to call? Oh, let's make it nicer. She called me from his phone. She literally called me from his phone. So, she said your blush is fire.
Period.
So, because she was calling me from his phone, I got pissed. Like, what? So I knew who the girl was, though, because this is the thing about dating Jamaican men. Even though they might not push it in your face, you're gonna know
who they were effing before you. You could run their file because Jamaica is small.
Oh.
So it's easy to say, yo, who was he talking? Or the guy I was talking to, he was a real nigga. You know what I'm saying? He told me that it was the girl that he used to have sex with. And I knew it had to be her because she was obsessive. Like, me and him would be on trips. She would be calling down his phone, and we weren't even together at the time. She would be like, literally call like 20 times. I don't have it in me. If you're looking for a girl to stalk you down, I might pop up if I'm worried or something, but I can't stalk no man down that is trying to show me he don't want me. So anyways, I found her Instagram, and my cousin knew her from school days. Again, Jamaica's small. So I got her number, and I start calling her phone. She not answering. So I DM'd her, and I'm like, yo, that was you that just called me? She said, yeah. So I had to read her rights. I had to just let her know, like, you're acting like a clown, calling another woman over a man, and you're beautiful, because she was a beautiful girl. And that's one thing. I like men who all of his exes are dollies. Like, all of us look good. You know what I'm saying? Exes or people he was sleeping with, all of us just look good. So yeah, she did look good. And I told her, I said, listen, you look too good to be calling my phone.
I remember that. He was like, you too cute for that.
You're way too, I had an appointment with you.
Yeah, he was like, you too cute for that.
I said, you look too cute to be calling my phone and acting like a goddamn clown. I already know about you. I don't call you because I don't care. So this is the part about sharing the Jamaican man now.
Right.
You might know about the girl, a side girl or something, but the man treats you so good, you just, it's like,
You don't care.
it's not that you don't care, but it's like, you know that her time is gonna get dropped. So even if at first when you meet him, there's other girls around, once he starts taking certain steps with you, you know that girl is gonna get dropped. So it's okay to be with the man. Like, the man are on you up. The man carrying you to different parts of the island. The man got you living in his house. The man is taking care of you. You guys are planning stuff together for the future. So you're not gonna let a girl that he used to have sex with get in the way, or a girl that he used to talk to get in the way of that. And maybe maybe you might see them text here and there, but you just give it a little time because you just started being with him. You give it a little time to get dropped. Like, you know, one time I was just kind of like, yo, I told him, because again, I'm a G. I understand how life work. You know, I understand how to deal with men. Yo, you still fucking her? Because you know, her time is a bit, it's chop chop, because we getting a little serious here.
It's chop chop.
You get what I'm saying? And he did make it chop chop for her. After she called my phone, I never heard from her again. And that's why I'm saying with Jamaican men, they kind of know code. Because how you secure in yourself as a woman? You were before me. You were having sex with him before me. I wasn't even having sex with him when you started acting crazy. You can't be secure in yourself and be calling another woman. Now you're snip, snip, bitch. When you was calling his phone, did I ever call you back? You know why? Because I'm secure in where me and this man is headed. I'm not calling you back. Why would I call you back? That's like you arguing with somebody on the outside of the club. They can't even get in. I'm on a trip with the man and you calling down the phone. Why would I answer you? The girl gonna say, oh, I only called you because I seen your missed call. My man told me to call him when I landed. I called him when I landed. Clearly, he was with you, so he didn't answer. Why you send my missed call and call back? And I see you calling all the time, and I don't trouble you. I don't hurt your feelings by answering the phone and saying, hello, I'm riding your man's penis. I don't got to do that. As a woman, that's what you have to know. That will get you clipped every time. Do not do that. Let the man show you who he wants. Because men can like two people. Men can like two people. So if he's talking to you and then he starts talking to me, time will tell who he wants to be with. Okay? Let the time tell. You don't go trying to push him to make a decision. And I think that's why we had ended up together, because I wasn't fussy with him. It was like, listen, it is what it is. But again, this is what I liked about him. A Jamaican king. He told me straight out the gate. When he was like, you know, Starr, I want you, la, 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 la. And I'm like, no, I don't think we should be together. He's like, why? You think I can't take care of you? Because I'm ready to take care of you. What you need? Hair, nails, food? That easy. My abayad, he was like, yo, he was just telling me about his house, like the features of his house. Like, he leads with that conversation. That's what I like. I like men that's like, yo, what's good? I want to take care of you. Come lay down. Come lay down at my house. I got AC. I got AC. You hungry? I got food. You want your nails did, hair done? I got you. What else you want? It's nothing. It's nothing for us to get on a plane. It's nothing. Those are the men that I like. And if you're not into taking care of women, you're not for me. So keep it pushing. I don't care how much money you think I have. Okay? So, like I said, I have nothing bad to say about Jamaican men. That experience was, oh yeah, that's better. That lighting was better.
What, this one?
Yeah. And then that's the thing with you girls. You don't know what a man is doing for another girl. So that's why you can't hype up yourself so fast. You can't be so quick to run in on a girl and act like you're more than her because you've been in his life longer. You've been in his life longer, and I could be receiving more love than you in a week than you get in a year. Because at the end of the day, it's about how you, all right, let's talk about this. You know how I learned how to get money from men? Jamaican men, American men, just men in specific. I learned to get money from men through dancehall parties, money pull up. From you were a kid and you watch YouTube and you're watching the parties and you see money pull up, right? What did money pull up teach you? Class is in session. What did money pull up teach you? Money pull up taught you men spend on what they like. So, if a man is willing to spend money on a song that he can play for free, remember, he could go play that song for free in his house, in his car, but he's going to pay the selector to replay a song. That means he pays for what he likes. Now, let's go a little deeper into this. Not only does he like the song, because there's a million songs in the world. So remember, there's a million girls in the world. So you can't feel special just because you're a girl. That particular song gives him a feeling. You understand what I'm saying? That song makes him feel so crazy that he has to go pay to replay it. So when you make a man feel so damn good, he will spend anything on you. He gonna, what you want, baby? You need to be that money pull up song for that man. You need to learn how to make him want to pull up. These men don't want to put down no money on you because you don't make them feel like how that song makes them feel. You understand? This is how I learned how to get money from men. And this is what I also learned. If a man likes, let's say a man likes hip hop music, when Biggie Smalls or Little Baby comes on, he's gonna put the money on Little Baby and Biggie Smalls. That does not mean Masika is not a bad artist. That means he likes hip hop. He don't like dancehall. So you need to also focus on the men that like you. Stop trying to make a man like hip hop that likes dancehall. He's a Masika fan. He's a crocodile. Why are you trying to make him like Old Town Road? He's not a horse. He's a crocodile. He can't Old Town Road with you. Get over it. country music and let him put down the money on you. Pull up, pull up, pull up. Just dropping the money. What's wrong with you girls? You're not, it's coming like y'all don't like men. That's why y'all don't pay attention. If you like men, you learn fast what they like. Because if you do what they like, you're going to get the money. Next thing about the money pull up, no. If it could be their favorite song in the world. If they don't have the money, they're not pulling it up. You know why? Because they don't have the money. So if he don't have the money, why are you stressing him? You knew he was broke. He showed you he don't have the money. If you buy 20 bottles in a party this Saturday, next week when you go to the party, is the promoter going to give you 20 bottles for free? No. Why do you keep entertaining men based on what they used to do for you a year ago? That was a year ago. It's a new party. It's a new party. You don't got your entry free fee. You cannot come in. He treating you bad. And you stuck on, yeah, but he used to do this. He don't like you no more. Or he just can't afford to party. So it's either you're going to dwindle yourself down and lower your fee, or because the fee is for maintenance. You know, that is why people charge to get in a club. They got to keep the lights on. You're a woman. You got to keep your lights on. You got to keep your makeup done. You got to keep your body looking good. So let's go into this. If this man likes beauty, right? You have to feed off his ego. This is the money pull up. Remember, he's pulling up this song in the middle of the party to make him look like that nigga. When man money pull up and buy a lot of bottles, it's for a show. It's to feed their ego. It's so they look like the biggest man in the room. So if you know he likes to look like the biggest man in the room, that means he also wants a dolly beside him. He don't want nothing pop down beside him. He don't want no roaches. This is how you're going to get the money. He's going to say, babe, oh, I'm going out tonight. You coming? Baby. And you guys talk like this. Babe, I really want to come, but I need a new outfit. I got to go to the mall. And then you find an old picture in your phone of a sexy outfit that you wore like a long time ago, right? You don't know where that shit is. And you send it to him while y'all are like on the phone. And he'd be like, look at what I just sent you. And you'd be like, I wanted to get something like that to wear for you again, but I don't have anything to wear. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Now he's like, that's how the lease. That's how the lease, Bibs. Come, now pick you up. You know what I'm saying? Now he's taking you to the mall. That's how you just got your shopping money. Because you're shopping, your image feeds his ego. You have to know what feeds your man's ego. That song, when he's dropping money for that song, when he's buying bottles, that feeds his ego. So you figure out what feeds his ego, and you use that to get some money. I don't see how you're not understanding. It's very simple. Find what feeds his ego. Use that to get him spending. Okay? Because that's what they do in the parties. In the parties, Shuckle Bus, what's the next DJ? All of these DJs, they know that men feel good, and they feel like that man when they drop the money for the money pull up. So they hype them up. Dog, the dog just bring 100 grand. That man brought 5 grand. He ain't bring no 100 grand, but he's feeding his ego because he knows if he brings another 5 grand, he's going to say, the dog got 200 grand. And that feeds his ego. So because he's going to continuously be fed by that, what is he going to do? Keep bringing money. So you need to figure out what this man likes. Yeah, and that's the best way I could tell you. And most men like beauty. So as I said, you got to get your money through beauty, but a lot of you don't have no style too. Like, a lot of you don't know how to, you don't know, as I said, you got to use the picture trick. This is me. Let me show you me. If I want something, and let's say I'm out, whatever, I'll go, I'll try on the dress. I hope my panties not folded up, but whatever, I don't care. I'll go, I'll try on the dress, I'll take my little selfie, like, and make sure you do the bent over one like that. You know which one I'm talking about, ladies. And then the one like that, you know, where you hide your back roll, but then you know, whatever. And then you put your hand on this side of the waist to make your waist look even smaller, and you tip on your toe. And then you take the photo right here, and then you send that photo. And then you're like, babe, look at this dress. Isn't it so nice? I really want it. If his answer is not, how much is it? He don't like you. He does not like you, or he does not have it. And that's up to you. Or he's not a provider. Or you're probably talking to an American man. A Nigerian would never. A Jamaican man would never. And trust me, I've tried this. Or he gonna be like, sexy babe. Or you know what I'm saying? And if he say sexy babes, be like, oh, could you get it for me? And then he's like, how much is it? You know what I'm saying? Some men you gotta, you know, ask, can you get it for me? Some men, you know, whatever. But at the end of the day, men are visual creatures. You understand? The fact that they're visual creatures, they need to be fed through visuals. So you're not giving this man no visuals, and you talking about some, oh, can I get $300 to go shopping? And you had a stink attitude all day. You like, be for real. Why would he give you $300? And then y'all also need to start doing little sex competitions. If y'all are in the phase where y'all are having sex and stuff, you like, and you know, like he can't like hold it in a certain position. Get in that position and be like, if you come right now, you owe me $500, right? So, like, you know, maybe if it's, I don't want to show that position because that's one of my little secrets. But whatever position it is, you ladies know what you do best. You get in that position, look him in his eyes, be like, I'm gonna fuck you. And when I'm riding your dick, if you come, you owe me $500. Like, or if you come before I come, you owe me $500. And you need to make sure you look at him dead in his eye. Put the little tongue out. You know what I'm saying? And ride that. When I say you need to ride that shit like you was riding a bike to school and somebody was trying to jump you, ride it, ride for dear life. And then he's gonna come, because you know, because he always comes before you. Duh. That's just what these niggas do. Good pussy gal, what can we do? You use your cookie wash, what can you do? Okay. When he comes, you're gonna be like, you gonna cash app or cash? Make things a competition. Men like that. Men like to compete. Men love to, and let me tell you something. If he does not come, like you end up coming before him, and he usually always comes before you, that man don't got it. He don't got the money. He don't got the money. He held that come because he know he don't got 500. Baby, he is Brizzo. Stop harassing him. Him don't have it. Him don't have it, girl. Leave the man alone. You understand? So yeah, those are my little tips and tricks. I hope you guys come to my pop-up shop in Jamaica. It's the 27th through the 29th. I hope you enjoy doing your makeup with me for 2 hours because I was chatting off my mouth, so it took a mad long. And yeah, I'm sorry you late to the live. I'll save it though. Cause I seen y'all said they put me on pink or about your see. I gotta save it so everybody can see I didn't say nothing wrong. Shit. Anywho, come to the pop-up shop. I will be giving away free stuff to the kids, to the girls. And what else? You can't breathe. Don't answer that, Starr, because you know your response. The people not gonna like it. Whew. Yeah. Where will your pop-up shop? It will be at the lot. Most important, I do want the high school girls to come out because I'm giving stuff away. You know, that's my heart. I love to give to the kids. So it'll be from like 2 to 5. The giveaway, because the kids get out of school at like 2, right? Where's my makeup artist? You want to come on, Tay, or you not? Okay, Tay, she's a Cancer. She don't be liking to talk. But it's called the Pink Vanity. It's in Miami, Florida. I'm just not breathing for no one because I don't want nobody to tell me they got $500 for me. They don't know my baby. Yo, that was wild. I don't want nobody to tell me I need to get a DNA test for their child. Boy. Let me stop messing with him. He's a good guy. He's a good guy. He just love having too much raw sex. Like, what's wrong with you, sir? Him love vagina, you know? The man love vagina. One thing I will say, that man loved him so. You don't got to question if he go the other way. That man loved him some vagina. But nah, breed. I'm sorry. In all my years, I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. I know better, babe. I'm not doing that. Then I got to be on Instagram posting my text messages. Shit. Of times I'm crying. I'm saying mean shit. He's saying mean shit. Because my text messages don't be that calm as hers. She lucky. She didn't even get cussed out for real. All he said was he just gonna send money and not talk to you or your baby. Cool. I won't talk to you or your baby either. No, none of us don't gotta talk to the baby. How about that? Meanwhile, I'll bring the baby right to your mother's house. Y'all figure it out. Who you talking to? Who you talking to, sir? No, but I don't feel like kids is something for me right now. I haven't even met a man that I see worthy of being a dad at this time. I don't have nowhere to live, so I moved to Jamaica. Okay.
You don't got nowhere to live. You go back to your mama's house.
Babe, I don't know. I guess she didn't hear that I'm opening a cookie wash in Jamaica, doing a pop-up shop. She ain't hear that. What if I got a man in Jamaica? What if that's the case? Or maybe I'm just broke. You know, that's why I'm doing a giveaway. That's why I gave away everything in my shop instead of selling it. That's why I'm doing a giveaway now, because I'm so poor, so poverty stricken. Oh my God. How do I become a Jamaica national hero? How much, like, what do I got to do? How much stuff do I got to do in Jamaica to do that? I think that would be cool, like, as a national hero. That would be fire. Like, I feel proud of myself. Like, I just feel like coming from Jamaica, coming to America, a lot of stuff wasn't easy. They would have told you, oh, go to college, do this. I didn't become a doctor or lawyer or do whatever. I utilized the internet. I utilized hard work. I touched 1 million in my 20s. Like that's crazy. I would love to be a national hero. And I give back all the time. How do I do it? Do I got to fix a lot of roads? You think that? But you know what's more important to me than fixing roads? Helping the kids. Helping the kids for real. I think they keep asking about my Lambo. I think maybe they're implying that my Lambo got repoed and I'm so poor, so I'm in Jamaica. I think they're implying these things, but it's okay, babe. I'll let you guys imply whatever you need to imply. You'll see. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Because one thing for sure, I can never be poor. I have a pussy. I showed y'all how to get the money out of the menses. I can't. If you have good vagina, you should never be poor. Like, come on. Let's be for real now. I'll go to Jamaica and get a man that y'all was begging for 10 years to do one thing for you, to do it all for me. I don't play that. I don't play them type of game. As I said in the money pull-up example, You have to know how to feed a man's ego, cater to his ego, whether it's beauty, whether it's brains, whether it's business, whatever it is he's looking for, you need to know how to show up as that and let your energy want him to provide for you. Like, as I said, when I met my ex, that man had women taking care of him, and he was using their money to take care of me. He didn't understand why he wanted to take care of my broke ass. And I went to Jamaica and found a man to save me. Not in America. I keep telling you, there's something wrong with the niggas in America. That's really crazy. I just noticed that. Guys, let's go eat, babe. Text me on the old number, not the new number. The new number, I'm on live. But it's so crazy. When I was broke, right? I'm living in America, and at the time, I had a Splendor Daddy. I call him a Splendor Daddy because he was taking me out to eat. He never would give me actual money, and I was still taking the bus, and this man had nice cars, and I had a license. He didn't let me use none of his cars. He was just mean. Old man, too. American, very American. I buck up my ex now on the internet doing foolishness. I go visit him in Jamaica. This man is taking care of me, taking care of everything, and he got way less than the man that I was talking to in America. Isn't that crazy? That is really crazy to me. And you know what? I was talking to that old man for like 6 months, and I never had sex with him because he was not, I could see that he just wanted me as arm candy. He didn't want to take care of me. So I went out with him for food because I didn't have no food. Me and Dynasty, we was hungry. So I would go to the nice restaurants with him, bring home food for me and Dynasty to eat. And that's it. But when I met my first Jamaican ex, as soon as I went to Jamaica, he bought me box food every day. He knew I love bag juice. He made sure I had my bag juice because I didn't have it. I'm super young. I didn't want much. He made sure I had a place to stay. He was willing and ready to take care of me. I didn't notice at that time that American men just don't have no damn morals and don't like to take care of women and don't want to be thought of as a trick. But my first Jamaican boyfriend, he loved being a trick. He loved to take care of gal. So that's why I even said, if he's telling you that he's not taking care of a child or he's not taking care of you, he must really don't have it right now because he loves to take care of women. That excites him. And that's most Jamaican men. They feel good when they're taking care of a woman. They feel good when them can draw off. Yo, we gotta say, hey, me PFEs. I'll put it back in. I could draw it off. I paid for it. Them like, yeah, bakas. And you're like, babe, my hair. And they don't want to hear about no hair because they paid for that wig. Okay. So yeah, now that I was saying another example earlier, but now I just remembered that example. It's true. Even though Jamaican men might have less, they take care of you more. I gave you 3 examples in my life. I gave you 1 in Shenseea life. I gave you 2 in my life. Do I have to find another one? I gave you 1 in Shamara life, where I said her and Corey got together when they were young, and they're still together after building a business together. Most people, they don't want to stay together after that. They just using you in America. They use you for what they could get, and then they out. So, and that's why I said, if you have a Jamaican man and he has a baby mother that he started with nothing with. Hi, Corey. I'm talking about you American men, how y'all don't like to trick. Corey's another one of them. He has a problem with spending money on women for no reason. And a woman just sitting there. And he got money, y'all. This is a man that got money. So I don't really understand. There was a post on the internet where a girl had bought a guy a Rolls Royce. As you guys know, a man had gave me a Rolls Royce. So Corey sent it to me and he says, what do you think about this? I had so much thoughts. So I said, what do you think about it? He said, I think it's good that a woman is buying a man a car. I said, have you ever bought a woman a car? He said, yeah, his mom and his sister. You know, I'm gonna get, and I'm yo, you like that a woman is buying a man a car, but you never ever bought your girlfriend a car? Your ex-girlfriend, your high school girlfriend, nobody? A bike? Did you even buy her a bike? And then he's gonna say, well, I was taking care of her, like, you know what I'm saying? But the taking care of her that he's talking about is regular to me because, as I said, the moment that I had got with that Jamaican guy, it was a breath of fresh air because I met someone who enjoys taking care of women. So paying the bills and buying food is minimum. He don't even see that as doing nothing. Like, he just sees that as something he's supposed to do. American men don't think that you're supposed to do that. No, Corey don't like being single. A lot of women want him. Remember, American girls are fooling them. Them will deal with Corey. Them like Corey. Corey, he have money, he have a business. Corey will help them. See, he said, I would buy my wife, not just a car, but a dealership. Why it gotta be your wife? Your girlfriend is getting fucked. She sucked. You know, every time we suck dick, we're about to die. Well, your penis is here. We could die. I'm risking my life for you. And you talking about you can't give me a car? If you... Nah. What's up with you American men? I'm about to cry. God damn. And then we be using our good years. You think we're going to be this youthful and beautiful and body shape nice forever? We're going to get wrinkly. And when we get wrinkly, when you men get wrinkly, young women will still be with you. We're not going to have nobody. And you can't buy me a car while I'm using my years, my time that I will never get back. You will get back the money for that car. But I'll never get back my time. That's why I can't have these conversations with men. I'm going to just stay in Jamaica. Marcy, I lie. I got to find me another Jamaican man. Maybe not one in Jamaica, but I can find one because, Corey, you came on the wrong live. The Jamaican girls are here. They're going to eat you up, Corey. Corey Arvinger. It's him with the yellow and red photo and the glasses. He gets money, you guys. The man has a Tesla. He has a Maserati. He owns his house, so it's not like he got all these bills. He has a big $1 million company. And this is how he thinks. Meanwhile, as I said, when I met my first Jamaican man, he don't have a lot of money, and he was willing to do whatever he could. So what that shows me, when he gets money, he's gonna take care of me. And everybody be like, oh yeah, you act like you wouldn't start from the bottom with nobody, but you started with him. That's because he started with me. I was poorer than him when we met. And then when we got money together, right? When we got money together, after he left the relationship, he left me his Rolls Royce. Do you understand that? It was the hardest thing. Once I got out of that relationship, I had so much problems buying my Lamborghini because I've never had a car in my name. My first actual car, like, that I put down for was a Lamb. And guess what? A man helped me do that too. So, yeah, now it's like kind of a confusing, messed up situation. But at the end of the day, the point that I'm trying to show you, the man that helped me do that, he was Haitian though. He was Haitian, but I didn't trust him, and I'm glad I didn't. Because in the end, he turned out to be shady. But the point of the matter is, these Americans, is something wrong with them. They think somebody's out to get the money they don't even have. Meanwhile, the Jamaican men, they don't even have the money, and they spending what they don't have just to make sure you're okay. So basically, man help you do everything. Yeah, except my dad. He ain't help me do shit. Oh my God, my dad didn't help me do. And honestly, I'm having a hard time in life right now because I don't have a man, because I don't know myself as an adult without a male person. And you know, like a little emotional, transparent moment, I'm working on myself to not be resentful towards my first boyfriend, the first Jamaican one, because of our breakup. Because I'm like, we did so much together, we built so much together, and now I'm out here figuring stuff out by myself, and I'm getting it wrong. I'm making so much mistakes because I don't have any like male guidance, and being like first generation wealthy or having money, it's difficult to even ask your family guidance on things. Like, for example, my mom, she loves me, she wants the best for me at all times. However, when Bitcoin had came out, I had said, Mom, do you think I should put money in Bitcoin? She was like, nah, that's stupid. It'll never work. Da, 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 da. Thank you, Corey. Corey's a good motivator. So if you're looking for a good motivational partner, like if you want to work as a woman and you just want a partner that says, you go girl, you keep working hard, Corey's the man for you. See, we're about to start a business and run up these millions. He want a woman that work hard, baby. So I'm trying to learn how to be a woman that work hard so I can make money for myself. But I truly do miss having a boyfriend and not having so much of the burdens of life on me, because it's a different feeling when you as a woman, you're taking on everything. It hurts. It's painful. You don't even have a man to hug and cry and say, babe, I can't make it today. Like, no, Corey's a Capricorn. Like, for me, when I was in a relationship, I knew that my bills were covered. So if I mentally can't bother with cookie wash for a month, my man would say to me, it's okay. Like, once my ex got to know me, he knew that working wasn't my strong point. He knew that I'm a visionary. He knew that I'm a creative. So he would package the orders. He would package my orders, his orders, and he would do most of the labor. Like, a truckload of cookie wash would come. He would take it out the truck, like pallets. He would take the pallets out the truck, put it in our car, then load it from our car, put it in the store. So I had a lot of help, and I knew that if I couldn't mentally carry on, I could lay down. Like, Lincoln would let me lay down for 2 weeks if I needed the 2 weeks to lay down. He knew that I wasn't made to work. I was a helpmate. You know how the Bible says a woman should be a helpmate? That's truly me. He can come home and tell me an idea, and I will know how to turn it into, something big. Oh, she said, I feel hurt because you're so in love with that man. Yeah, I really did love him, and I still love him to this day, but I would never be with him. I would never, ever, ever, ever be with him again. It's just my only relationship example. So it's the only thing I could talk about, because I haven't got a chance to experience that again. Being in America, it's different. You know what I'm saying? Why would Lincoln be doing good without me? God sent me to Lincoln's life to bless his life, and he fumbled. So that's why, so it's going to take him a while. I hope he gets that Cardi B case, you know what I'm saying? But you can't do good without a person that God sent you, and it's like God gave you your blessings and you just said, God, F off. And I was aware of that. I valued the relationship, and he didn't value it as much. So now he has to live with that. He has to live with that. And it's painful for me sometimes, because I do miss him. I do miss it. But I'm not dealing with being with a man who's in and out, who wants to be in sometimes and wants to be out sometimes. That will fuck up the brand. He's the type of person that will build a house, burn it down, build a house, burn it down. I'm not doing that. I need somebody that wants to be a real leader, build up the house, and we live in it and go build more. You get what I mean? He's not a bad man. He did so much good for me. And that's why it's hard for me to be with men who are not providers. That man had nothing and took care of me. So you cannot come to me and be like, oh, we need to be married for you to take care of me. Oh, I need to see you work hard. That man saw me as a broke girl, come to his house in Jamaica and cock up my foot and don't do nothing. To the point where I'm watching him every day. I'm observing him every day so I could give him business ideas. So he could pour into my business ideas. He had more money than me at the time. So if I needed a little 1-2 for cookie wash, he would give it to me. It wasn't nothing big. It was never nothing big. But at the same time, to me, it's not about it being nothing big. As I said, if I'm with a man, if you're giving me some money, when I started getting money, I never let my ex know. He would still give me money. He would be in Jamaica, not making much money, and still send me money to America. He don't know that I'm making like $1,000 a day at this point. When the man come to America, I was able to say, yo, whatever you want to start, I have money saved up from money that you gave me to start. Because as a man, he's not going to want to take my money. As I said, he used to take other women money and give to me. He don't see me as a woman that gives to him. So the fact that I go from a relationship. He said, I'm not shooting my shot. Starr already my girl. Corey, you don't like taking care of women. I could never be your woman, baby. You like building. You want women to work too goddamn hard. Anyway, as I said, it's very difficult for me to pick up a new man who they want me to pour all of this energy into them, and they don't even believe in taking care of women. Like, trust me, the stuff that my ex would do for me, you wouldn't believe. Not to say he's perfect, you know, because we fought. We used to blah blah blah. We'll go down in the house. That's why he my cousin, because we fought like cousins for real, for real. Yes, I used to lose. I didn't care. I still was gonna fight. I don't care. I as nice as y'all see me on Jesus Internet, one thing go wrong, sick, just sick. I can admit my wrongs. I can admit his wrongs. That was our problem. We needed to keep our hands off of each other. Man, and Lincoln had so sick, he didn't care where we are. At least me, I'm some bratopsy. I'm not gonna do it like, I'm not gonna pop you in the head at a party. I'm gonna wait till we get in the car and it's bad. I'm not laughing because it's really bad. I worked on that though. I worked on that. I don't hit men no more. I don't be into that no more. But the point of the matter is, the point of the matter is, it's not that I necessarily miss the relationship. I just miss having someone I could depend on. That's really what it is. I haven't met nobody that I could trust and depend on. Because now that I have money, Corey, now that I have money, I don't know who to trust. When I was just a little girl with no money, I could trust that you there because you love me. I don't know if you there because you want Instagram followers. I don't know if you here because you just know that I'm business smart and you want to use me up for my business knowledge. I don't know who's here to use me. So now it's very difficult because even people that I do try to let in, it's always some fuckery. It's always some fuckery. She said, you such Scorpio, not her laughing at her past trauma. I laugh about everything, babes. I laugh about everything. Corey's not Jamaican. Corey don't take care of women. I keep trying to tell you guys that. Ignore him. Ignore him. He will never remind you. I have the money, you know, but if you're a woman that wants to, like, you have your own business, your business is doing well, you like to work, and you want to be Beyonce, Jay-Z, couple goals, y'all work hard and shit, Corey's the type of man for you. Moan, lay down. I want to lay down. I've been working since I was 13 years old. 2 jobs, 3 jobs every summer. I'm tired. Babe, I'm tired. And that's what I'm saying. Not Lincoln, but the other person that I was with, that's Jamaican, he didn't care. He didn't care that I was smart. He didn't care that I had more money than him. He didn't care about nothing. He acted like my money did not exist. Okay? He wanted me to lay down too and be beautiful. Like I would say to him, babe, so what you want me to do? He'd be like, nothing. Didn't you say you don't want to do nothing? So do nothing. Like, you get what I'm saying? So I think I do like Jamaican men. I used to say I don't think I like Jamaican men, but I think I do. Because I'm telling you that last relationship, it really made me sit there like, damn, this man is good. This is a good man. And even though he was like, it would seem like he'd be a gallus because he looked good. He didn't give me gal problems. He didn't give me, aside from that one girl calling my phone, but as I said, she didn't know herself. She didn't know herself. She thought she could call the phone and check me and make me run away. Really and truly, she probably wanted me to back down so she could have him. But no, babes, the man was taking care of me and he was taking care of me good. Yes. Jamaican men in Jamaica, to be specific. These Jamaican men in America, they lose their screws when they get to America. They don't want to take care. They forget that they got to take care of women. Now, if you're American woman and the man is in Jamaica and he's begging you money, please remember he has a woman in Jamaica he's taking care of, because Jamaican women, our hand is always out. We're hungry when we're not hungry. We need money when we don't need no money. That's us. So yeah, because I thought with Lincoln, I just thought it was like he was just a good, but apparently it's a Jamaican thing. I take note of that. It's a Jamaican thing. Man, with the other guy, it wasn't nothing bad why we ended. It just kind of fizzled out. Hey, Tyreek, don't get in. Tyreek, don't get in here saying shit. I'm about to end the live because I kept that one under wraps real good. Yeah, that was my baby. I loved him. I still love him. I've never left somebody because I didn't love them, because I stopped loving them. I usually just not ending up. Yeah, Pretty, they be romance scamming the girls in America and taking care of a girl in Jamaica. Pretty, okay, if you guys knew Six just died. This is how I know Jamaican men are good men. Six just passed away. R.I.P. Six boss. Pretty she's living in America doing hair, making money. Six, send for Pretty, MCR, and say him like her. Send for Pretty to come to Jamaica. Six have Pretty living in his house, giving Pretty money everywhere. Hi, whining machine. Giving Pretty money every day. If Pretty says she going on the road with me, Six giving Pretty money for me and her. You get what I'm saying? R.I.P. Six boss for real. He was really a good man. Would be at the party. Six is taking care of everything. So that's how I know these Jamaican men is in them to take care of women when they have it. From they have it, they're gonna take care of you. Same thing with my man that I was telling you guys about, not Lincoln, the other one. I'm at a party. Somebody come to me and says, so and so sending a bottle for you. The man is at home. The man is at home and sending me a bottle. You men in America will have girls in another man's section drinking a bottle because y'all don't know no style. Y'all don't know no code. Not Six the artist. Not Six the artist. Not Six the artist. Not Six the artist. No, no, no. Jesus Christ. I forgot it's so much Six in Jamaica. I would be talking pretty business if it was Six the artist. No, I can't talk. Listen, over here, if you're there with an artist, your business is safe. Your business is safe because artist something, it's too difficult. The media will take it and run all type of ways with it. Yeah, from a Jamaican man have money, he's a good man. I can't emphasize it enough. It's when they don't have no money, get away from them because they get mean. They get mean, they get rude, they get whatever. So that's why my suggestion to you as a woman, if you, because I love the artists, them love me. What am I for do? What can I do? You have to love who love you as a woman. Didn't I tell you guys about this? I told you. You cannot be country music and trying to force a nigga that like rap to like you. I tried to be with a real estate agent. The real estate agent didn't want me. No real estate agents be in my DMs. Just rappers and trappers. And you know what else? Scammers don't like me either. Scammers never try to come talk to me. Drug dealers and artists. That's who want to talk to me. So what am I supposed to do? What me for do? Right now, I'll take an actor. You get what I'm saying? I want somebody different to talk to me, but you can only be with who like you. This is why I explained to you ladies why y'all are not getting money. Because you're trying to get money from the Chinese man uptown. When the man who sells coconut water downtown is the man that wants to give you money. He will use his coconut water money and do your hair, okay? The Chinese man uptown, he's going to fuck you under quiet and not give you nothing. He don't like you. You understand? Stop push up in the man them that don't like you. I had to learn. I had to learn. I was trying to push up into the business owner guys. The business owner guys don't like me. The business owner guys only see an opportunity to do business with me. And when they realize that I don't like to work, they don't like me. Artists like me. I'll sit at the studio. They need me to sing a little harmony. I'll sing a harmony on the back of their song. I have good marketing ideas, so I'll know how to get their Instagram buzzy and popping. They like my vibe. You get what I'm saying? I say crazy stuff so they could probably use my voice on a voice note for their intro of their song. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I'm tired of it. You know, I want to date somebody different. You think I want to be with the rappers and trappers? No. I would like to be with one of them men that build apartments. One of them low-key men that build apartments. But they're married. They be married already. And I'm not going to be with no married man. I can't be saying cookie wash and clean pum pum and I'm with people man. People man will dusty up your pum pum fast, you know, because the husband think he the only one giving bun. The wife is having sex with the next door neighbor or the man coming to cut the grass, and she's having raw sex with him. He's having raw sex with you, and your pum pum is now you need cookie wash more than ever. I don't have sex with people, man. Deidre, you don't have me on all of them because Deidre, let me not talk your business. But that's my cousin. From I know her, that's another person that taught me how to get money. Deidre, from she was young, she realized school wasn't for her, but she realized God blessed her with a good vagina. She used her vagina and she's been married. She owned a house and she's, what, 21, Deidre? I pay attention to her. She had all the designer in her closet. She was good. She was good. Pretty, I can't listen to nobody that take over people, man, because they're not the one married. I'm trying to be married. You can't walk around trying to take over people, man. There's you, I get money a long time, y'all. Smart. Exactly. She knows she's beautiful. Remember how I told you guys, if you're beautiful, use that to get money from the men? That's what Deidre did. She got long legs, small waist, real sexy. So she know to tell a man, listen, my hair need a do. And he's going to want her hair to do because he's a drug dealer. He don't want to be next to no bitch that's looking fucked up because that's a representation of him. That's the next thing. You need to find men that like to trick through their woman. Right, Kevon? Deidre hustles like Walmart's. I love going Deidre closet, steal out clothes, steal out snacks. But at the end of the day, if a man doesn't like to spend through his woman, some men, they make their woman look good so it shows how much money they have. Some men, they don't care. They want to look good. They want to be the bad bitch. They want to hold your Chanel bag. You're not the bad bitch. You need a man who, and again, that's what I be liking about Jamaican men. You know why a lot of Jamaican men don't be liking skinny girls sometimes? It's because it's a reflection of hunger. So that's why they're always trying to feed you. If you go to Jamaica and the man is always trying to feed you, it's because the thicker you are, it's just like in Africa. The thicker you are, it shows that you eating good. They want to feed you, baby. See, this girl said, I used to date a drug dealer and I never used to have to ask for nothing. Yo, my makeup artist, we miss her nigga. Her nigga got her a store and bought a car just to park in the store. Okay. No joke. Yes, he bought her a car to drive to the store. He bought her a car to park in the store as an aesthetic in the store and bought her the store. Drugs, man. Because him understand business. These scammer men, they just want to take you to the mall because all they can do is got a card they can swipe. Your swiping can't help me, sir. Shiny show you as a man enough for broke. You can't be broke. It don't make sense to be broke in these times. Yeah, pretty used to be thick, babe. 6 was feeding pretty. That's what I'm saying. The Jamaican men, they want to feed you. They want to take care of you. Yo, Pretty could not leave the house if she didn't look good enough. pretty always look good. But 6 love when pretty look good. He walk around with her like it's a trophy. He's one of those money pull-up guys too. He always got to do the money pull-up because it feeds their ego. You guys don't know how to get into a man's brains. If the man like pretty girls, be pretty. And if he stop giving you money, just start pop down. So he know that he needs to go get some more money so you can look happy again. Just start looking sad. Take your wig off and sit in the house sad. And just watch TV and say, what's wrong? Nothing. What's wrong? Nothing. How you look so? I want to do my hair, but I don't have no money. So you don't have no money. What happened to the money I gave you? Babe, that was 2 weeks ago. Yeah, you need to cry. You need to cry. You need to let him know it's hurting you that you can't do your hair, because I just feel like maybe you're not going to be attracted to me because I don't even look good, and I just feel stressed out. I'm hungry, and God know, like, dog. So you want some food? Yes. Yes. I'm hungry, babe. So what we having about here? I don't know. But my hair don't look good. I can't go nowhere. Fashion Nova sent me clothes to put on and post, and I can't post the clothes because my hair not done. I'm so stressed out. Y'all don't be stressed out enough. That's y'all problem. Y'all be acting like y'all okay when your hair is not done. My stress. I can't think. I need my wig to think, baby. I can't think. Kareem, I want to get back into acting. Somebody link that man for me and see if he want to put me in his show. You get what I'm saying? And at that point, if your man see you that depressed and he don't go sell some water or go chop a coconut to try to get you your hair done, he don't love you. You can't have no kids with him, because that means your baby gonna be in the house crying and hungry too. If you don't love me when I'm crying, how you gonna love my baby? If I'm crying, I'm hungry. I'm hungry. And he don't go out there and sell water to feed you, don't have no baby with him. Because when I was hungry, I sold water for myself. That's how much I love myself. And if the man, and that's why I'm telling you guys, don't just watch the man that have the Benz and have the BMW, because if the man chop coconuts in downtown and he's willing to give you more than what the Chinese man uptown giving you, work with him. Me, if it was when I was just starting, if I met a man that was chopping coconut, babe, your comments stopped going. I don't know why, but if I met a man that was chopping coconuts when I just started, I promise to God, I would say, babe, we're gonna have this spot lit. I'm getting on Instagram every day. I'm dancing. I'm holding up signs. Come support my coconut man. Yeah, because I'm not gonna chop no coconut with you. But give me the money. I'll do some videos. I'll put it on Facebook ads, blow up your coconut spot. But I'm not standing out in the hot sun with you. No. Because women, you're creative. You don't need to do what a man do. You need to take what a man does and make it better. That's why a man buys the house and you decorate it. That's why. But y'all don't know that. You guys don't know that. I don't know why I'm not seeing your comments. It just stopped. I wonder if Instagram's broken. Either way, that's what I'm saying. If you have a man and you do not want to work, start working in his business. If he sell cars, baby, you try to find a way to work your way into making sure he gets more sales. And you just stop going to work. And when he say, babe, why you not going to work? Say, I work for you. I'm working with you. 2 heads is better than 1, daddy. Crazy? Boy, you crazy? Why would you go to work and you have a man that have a business? Be for real. You could be helping his business. And then any day you feel tired, you just lay down. It's that simple. And next thing you want to live with a man, you just start going to his house every night, pack a bag, and then just one day, just don't leave for the week. Then don't leave for the next week. Then boom, y'all live together. Don't make it hard. It's very simple. Anyways, Cookie Wash is back in Jamaica. Pop-up shop 27th through 29th at the Lots. I hope to see you. Bring out the little kids. Well, not little kids, but high school girls, because I'm going to have some pads and tampons and things like that for the girlies. And that is the end of my live today. You guys were fun. Bye.